Welcome to getcalley.com. In this video, we'll show you how to use uninterrupted calling mode in the Calley mobile app. A feature designed to help you call faster, with fewer interruptions. Before getting started, make sure you've already uploaded your calling list on the Calley web panel. Uninterrupted mode allows you to call a list of numbers automatically without any pop-ups for call dispositions. This means that you can call the whole list without the need of any data updates. If you are logging in for the first time, you are brought to the Getting Started page. Click on Start Calling Now button to proceed to the dashboard. As you are on the dashboard of the app, you need to load a list to start calling. To load your list that you want to call without interruptions, click on Start Calling Now button. Click on Continue to load a calling list. You can see all the lists that are loaded in the web panel. Choose the call list you want to call automatically. Your calling list will be loaded in the mobile app and you will be able to see the counts for pending, done and scheduled calls. Click on Start Calling Now button to make you call using your SIM card. When prompted to choose a calling mode, select Uninterrupted Mode. The app will now start dialing numbers automatically and sequentially from your calling list. Call are triggered on respective numbers in your list. There's no need to save feedback. Each call flows right into the next. If you want to take a break, just hit the cancel button to pause the session. You can view your call activity and reporting in the Calley mobile app, and it is synced automatically with the Calley web panel. If you face any issues in setting up the uninterrupted mode, feel free to reach out to us at support@getcalley.com or WhatsApp us on +91 99711255588 for a demo.